Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a delicious, super simple pancake recipe. The pancake are incredible tasty. I won't believe how easy they are to whip up. So let's dive right into it. Take a mixing bowl, crack open one egg, add 1/4 cup of sugar for a touch of sweetness and add pinch of salt for flavor. Pour in 1.5 cup of milk followed by 1.5 tablespoon of oil to keep our pancake nice and fluffy. Do not forget to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence for that delightful aroma. Mix these ingredients well to create a smooth and creamy mixture. Now it's time to incorporate the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the bowl. Mix everything together until you achieve a smooth batter with no lumps. Your batter should have a perfect consistency. Your batter should look just like this, smooth and flowing. Heat up a non-stick pan over low to medium flame. Take about 2 tablespoons of the batter and pour it onto the preheated pan. This will ensure that your pancakes are the perfect size. Wait until bubbles form on the surface of the pancake. This is a sign that it's time to flip it over. Carefully flip the pancake and you will see that beautiful golden brown color on the other side. Cook the other side for about 1.5 or 2 minutes until it's perfectly cooked. And there you have it. It's a perfectly cooked pancake. It's fluffy and golden. Now let's add some sweetness to the delicious pancake. Drizzle some honey on top and you are ready to enjoy your homemade pancakes. There you have it, an incredible, simple and tasty pancake recipe that you can make it on no time. I hope you try this recipe at home and enjoy your delicious homemade pancakes. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking.